Can I just take 10 minutes of your time to show you how I make this beautiful dark-skinned model makeup? I will tell you all the detailed procedures I use to put this melanin makeup together. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please watch to the end. Without wasting your time, let's dive into the makeup. I've already prepped her skin off camera. Now I'm working on the brows. I always say that brows frame the face, so I don't want them to be too dark or too harsh. I'm simply defining the natural shape and cleaning them up for a polished finish. For my brows to look this perfect, I first of all apply concealer and powder on the brows before starting to apply it with my carrot gel liner. The concealer underneath it makes it pop and makes it very defined. If you want me to do a detailed brow tutorial on this channel, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have gotten to this extent, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and comment. With that more defined look, I go back in with a black eye pencil. This is the Davis eye pencil in black color, in color 1, and I'll use it to trace the eyebrows, and this helps to give that defined, perfect look.
In the morning, I wake up feeling no pain.
To finish it up, I'll use my concealer. This is the Flawless IV concealer. I'll use it to, clean the under of the eyebrows to give that perfect defined look and a highlighted look.
Long stretches, I get to remember it. Then I see my bed.
Now it's time to prepare the eyelids. I'm applying the eyeshadow base so the colors will appear brighter and stay vibrant throughout the day. If you also notice, when I was applying the concealer I used in cleaning the eyebrows, I shifted it downwards so that it will also help in the base of the eyeshadow, especially the transition colors. For today's look, our main color is pink. I'm starting with a soft transition shade. I'm blending it into the crease.
On one side, back in the sheet, only place I can hide. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night.
While using the brown shade, you also notice how I am blending towards the nose where I'm supposed to contour. Listen, blending is honestly the secret to a beautiful eye makeup. Instead of adding too much products at once, I prefer building the colors little by little. Before applying the pink eyeshadow, I will go in with a lighter shade in the inner corner of the eye. This helps make the pink eyeshadow to pop very well. Now I'm going in with the pink eyeshadow. Notice how I'm packing the color first before blending the edges. This helps the pigment to stay rich and vibrant without becoming patchy. And to give it that perfect blend, I'm going in with both colors, the lighter shade and the deep pink, to give it that, that transition blend. I wanted the pink to pop more, so I added a black eyeshadow at the base, at the tip of the pink, just a little bit to give it that lift. Now I am applying eyeliner. You can make your wing as bold or as subtle as you like, depending on the occasion.
Sick and weary, and only your love's gonna make it right. The curtain, sweating, shaking all over. Imagine you're here,
Moving on to the face, I'm applying the foundation. I'm using a shade that perfectly matches her complexion because the goal is to enhance her natural beauty, not change her skin tone. Now it's time to highlight. I'm applying concealer under the eyes, on the forehead, down the bridge of the nose, above the lips, and on the chin. These are areas I want to bring forward and brighten. I'll go ahead to blend the concealer carefully until everything melts into the skin. Taking your time here prevents the makeup from looking cakey.
I'm a better man with your love than without. Stuck in the cell, I may never make it out. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. Sick and weary, only your love's gonna make it right. Yeah, only your love, only your love. Only your love, only your love.
To add warmth and definition back to the face, I'm applying contour around the forehead, under the cheekbones, and along the jawline. Use the contour to give that nose that pointed look I want. All this gives the face a beautiful sculpted appearance without looking too dramatic. After applying them, I will now blend them into the skin. Give it that perfect blend. Remember, blending is everything in makeup.
Just a little. Take me along.
Everything is now coming together, so I'm setting the highlighted areas with loose powder. Setting the makeup helps reduce creasing, keeps everything in place for hours.
Won't you visit? Won't you stop by to stay? I'm a better man with your love than without. In the cell, I may never make it out. And in the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. I'm sick and weary, only your love's gonna make it right. Yeah. Only your love, only your love. Only your love, only your love.
Now I'm dusting away the excess powder and lightly setting the rest of the face with pressed powder to lock everything in.
Only your love, only your love. Only your love, only your love.
After setting the face and dusting it with a loose powder, I'll go in to spray my green tea setting spray to make everything locked in and give that perfect blend.
Only your love, only your love. Only your love, only your love. Only your love, only your love. Only your love, only your love.
Going back to the eyes to finish the eye look, I applied a black eyeshadow under the eyes to give it that lift, and this is the hair I installed for this makeup tutorial, and I also have a video on this channel on how I install this hair. Please, I'll be dropping a card on top of here. You can click it and watch. Now I'm lining my lips before applying lipstick and a touch of gloss. I love finishing with gloss because it makes the lips look fuller and complements the soft glam look. At this junction, if you have watched to this extent, it's a sign for you to subscribe to this channel because I know you love what you're seeing here. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also hit on the notification bell to be able to get my videos whenever I post. You'll be the number one to get notified whenever I post. Thank you for my returning subscribers. I love you all. I went ahead to apply my lashes. This lashes is the cat eye look lashes. That's the trending, cat eye that is trending currently on TikTok. So I tried to use it for this tutorial and it was good, guys. I love how everything became. It was so dreamy. Her eyes became so dreamy. I loved it so much. I went back in to set her under eyes and also her jawlines to give that lift I wanted because I felt it was not giving the lift I wanted enough. So I went back in to set it with my setting spray and finish it up. Finish my lip look. Finally, I'm setting everything with a setting spray. This makes all the powder together and give the skin a natural skin-like finish. I went ahead to pack her hair, give it that beautiful look so that everything will be in place.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say.
And here is our finished look. I absolutely love how the pink eyeshadow complements her beautiful melanin skin. This makeup is soft, elegant, fresh, and perfect for weddings, birthdays, photo shoots, or any special occasion. If you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell so that you will never miss another upload. Don't also forget to watch the installation video of this beautiful hair. You will love it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.